What if your code could write itself? Hi all, today let's discuss about AI for coding using GitHub Copilot and Google Colab. Coding with AI isn't just faster, it feels like having a coding assistant by your side. Let's build a tiny language translator using AI tools. GitHub Copilot is like autocomplete for code, but smarter and easy to use. Alright, let's see how Visual Studio Code and GitHub Copilot can actually help us as coders. First, you can install the GitHub Copilot extension inside VS Code, then create a new Python file. As soon as you start scripting, Copilot begins suggesting code. For example, I wanted to create a simple text translator in Python. As soon as I typed Google Trans, Copilot automatically imported the right package and even suggested a translation function with parameters. That saved me from writing everything manually. I gave the function a default language as English, then tested it by printing a simple input like Hello World. At first, I just translated English to English, but later I switched to French and it displayed the correct translation. Bonjour le monde. Now, if you don't have your local Python environment ready, no problem. You can use Google Colab instead. Just open a new Colab notebook, paste in the same code and run it. Colab will install the required packages automatically. If there are runtime errors, it usually helps resolve them for you. Once the dependencies are installed, the script runs smoothly. In my case, it showed the French translation correctly. Then I decided to take it further. Instead of just one language, I wanted Hello World translated into multiple languages. So I added a simple loop and defined a list of target languages like French, Spanish, German, and Hindi. At first, I forgot to update the language list properly, and the output repeated French 4 times. But once I fixed the parameter, the script displayed translations in all the chosen languages. This little demo shows how powerful AI coding assistants are. Tools like GitHub Copilot in VS Code and Google Colab not only autocomplete your code but also guide you when you make mistakes. They save you time, help you learn faster, and make coding feel like you're working with a smart assistant right beside you. With GitHub Copilot and Google Colab, coding goes beyond syntax. You focus on the idea, and your AI assistant helps bring it to life. If you are happy with my content, then follow me for daily AI hacks, beginner to expert journey. Bye.